This is a Swytch bike, and so is this, and this one, this one too. Swytch is an affordable, state-of-the-art electric bike system that converts any bike into an e-bike. And I mean any bike. With Swytch, you can go faster and further without breaking a sweat. Turn the power up when you need it, turn it down when you don't, or switch it back into a regular bike. Simply put, it's a bike and an e-bike all in one. My name's Oliver. I'm proud to be a British engineer. I studied at Oxford University and I'm dedicated to inventing low-carbon technologies that are good for the planet. The way we usually get around is not environmentally friendly or fun. Astonishingly, most of the journeys we make are less than 10 miles. A Swytch bike has a range of up to 50 miles. So why not make some of those journeys with one of these? It's fast, convenient, and way more fun than getting on a bus.
Here's how it works. We send you a brand new wheel with our lightweight hub motor built in, a pedal sensor, brake sensors, and the bracket that connects everything together. Simply attach the Swytch bag to go further and faster. It really couldn't be easier. Please support us by placing an order now, and we'll start putting together your custom Swytch package right away. Thanks.